morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Happy 4th of July, everybody. I hope that everybody is celebrating safely and healthy. Okay, enjoy this day. Be careful with the fireworks. If you're gonna use a gun to shoot in the air, please don't use it. Okay, lost bullet can hurt people. Okay, I hope everybody's doing okay. This is a quick video. I did 3 diamond painting that are patriotic theme, appropriate for today. Okay, here they are. Here is this gorgeous. This is from Paint Some Way. These are different company, but take a look at this hat. Ain't that pretty? It was fun to make. Oh, 4th of July. That's so pretty. A lot of stars in there. Lots of stars. The next one is from GBFKE. Take a look at this. 4th of July on the beach. Let me get you closer and let me put this upside down so you don't. Take a look at this. Oh, the lighthouse. Oh, the lighthouse. This was fun. Look at these sparkling drills. This is from GBFKE. Take a look at this. I bought a series of lighthouses, and I did 1, I believe, or 2, and I'm about to start a second one. They are appropriate for the summer. Take a look at this. Look at this sparkling. And look at this. The shell, very well defined. Okay. The seashell. Take a look at the, I don't know how you say it. I forgot. I'm sorry. Let me drink a bit of water. But lately I either forget words in English or I forget them in Spanish. Okay? So here they are. Beautiful. Beautiful blues, man. I enjoy this one. I enjoy this one a lot. Look at the detail on the lighthouse. From far away, of course, because when you're doing these so close, it looks like a blob. These are so sparkly. So appropriate. The sand, the sea, the bucket. So you can create your castle with the shovel. That's the word. That's the word. Shovel. It finally came out of my brain. Look at this door, the detail. It's a far away. You can see all this detail, and I didn't realize this was a bird until I finished it. Oh boy, this is so neat. Beautiful. This is from GBFKE. Well, take a look at this one. The patriotic birds. Take a look at how cute they are. The finches and the cardinal. It's supposed to say America the Beautiful in there, but I don't know. That's the only drawback. It didn't actually. Yes, you can read it up there, but I don't see no letters. But anyway, it turned out beautiful. Take a look at this. The birds, the flowers. with the flag. From far away, look like the stars. From you get a close look at this. But this is cute, and look at how shiny. This one is from FG Normal. FG Normal. Okay, it's so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I like it. I like the colors. Look at the butterflies. Look at the daisies in here. Look at the red cardinal, another finch. And that's what it is called. There's some flowers on here. Man, I had a lot of fun doing these ones. And look at the sparkle on those drills. Look at how they sparkly. That is beautiful. I like the detail of the house, of the bird house. You can see it. What I don't see is the letter. It's supposed to say America the Beautiful, but it didn't come out. That's the only thing. But these are pretty. Still, it was pretty. So here is this one. Then we got the beach, and then we got the festive hat. Let me see. I'm trying to put all of them in the camera frame. Okay. All of them in the camera frame, and take a look at the hat. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Happy 4th of July. Do safe. Until the next time, don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.